Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Jane Bipin Rawat chopper crash live. Group Captain Varun Singh suffered 45% burn injuries under treatment. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and 12 others, including his wife Madhulika and 11 armed force personnel, lost their lives in a helicopter crash in Tamil Nadu's Kunnur on Wednesday. Group Captain Varun Singh, who survived the crash, is presently undergoing treatment. The cremation of General Bipin Rawat and his wife Madhulika Rawat will be held in Delhi cantonment area on December 10. Their mortal remains are expected to arrive in the national capital in a military plane by Thursday evening. Group Captain Varun Singh, the sole survivor of the chopper crash, has suffered 45% burn. The black box of the Indian Air Force chopper that crashed in Kunar on Wednesday. Watch this video. Sources from locals present on the spot of the final moments of the General Bipin Rawat helicopter in the year before it crashed near Kunnur on Wednesday. A team of Tamil Nadu Forensic Science Department headed by Director Srinivasan arrived at the crash site near Katri in Kunnur on Thursday morning. Admiral John Aquilo, commander of the US Indo-Pacific Command, issued a statement of the demise of General Bipin Rawat. India's top military officer CDS Gen Bipin Rawat dies in Tamil Nadu helicopter crash. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and 12 others, including his wife Madhulika and 11 armed forces personnel, lost their lives in a helicopter crash in Tamil Nadu, Kundu. On Wednesday, Group Captain Varun Singh, who survived the crash, is presently undergoing treatment. Chief on Defence Staff Bipin Rawat, Madhulika Rawat, Bipin Rawat's wife, Brig LS Leader LT Col H. Singh, WGCRPS Chauhan and SQN LTRK Singh, JW Das and JW Pradeep Hab Satpal, NK Gorashwak Singh, NK Jitendra, LNK Vivek and LNK S. Teza. General Rawat's death was confirmed by the Indian Force late on Wednesday. The helicopter crash had taken place shortly after noon. CDS General Bipin Rawat and the others were on the board on the Air Force Mi-17V5 helicopter, which took off from the Sulur IAF base near Coimbatore. General Rawat was on his way to Bipin Staff College in Wellington to attend an event. First reports of the helicopter crash came around 12:20 p.m. on Wednesday, following which a search and rescue operation has launched. Shortly after 6 p.m., the Indian Air Force confirmed that General Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika and others have lost their lives in the crash. With deep regret, it has now been ascertained that CDS General Bipin Rawat, Mr. Madhulika Rawat and 11 other persons on board have died in the unfortunate accident, the Indian Force said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted, Gen Bipin Rawat was an outstanding soldier, a true patriot. He greatly contributed to modernizing our armed forces and security apparatus. His insights and perspective on strategic matters were exceptional, and his passing away has saddened me. Om Shanti. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal waiting live updates. Katrina Kaif and Vicky to tie the knot. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal waiting live. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal's wedding day has finally arrived. The couple will tie the knot today, December 9, at Hotel Six Senses for Barwara in Savai Madhopur, Rajasthan. The wedding festivities have been going on in full swing. On Wednesday, December 8, the couple celebrated their Haldi and Sangeet ceremony. The couple and their families reached the luxury hotel in Rajasthan on December 6. Some of the celebrity friends of the couple have joined them in Savai Madhopur. The pre-wedding functions begin on December 7. Weekend Katrina's wedding guest list includes celebrities such as Karan Johar, Farah Khan, Ali Abbas Jafar, Kabir Khan, Mini Mathur and Neha Dhukia, Angad Bedi among others. According to reports, Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal are just few hours away from night trying the knot. They will reportedly take the Feras at 3 p.m. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal are tying the knot today. The soon-to-be married couple has rented their apartment in Juhu, Mumbai. The big day is finally here. Fan pages have been sharing photos of Katrina Kaif dancing with Mehendi adorned head, which is believed to be the actress Mehendi function at Savai Madhopur. However, these photos are actually from an advertisement for a jewelry brand. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal will tie the knot today in traditional Hindu wedding ceremony at Hotel Six Senses Fort Barwara with family.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.